Thank you, ladies. One morning, Philippines. One morning sa aming mga ka-texters at sa mga techies dyan. Okay, it's Monday once again, so meaning po, meron na naman tayong T9 segment. So what does T9 mean? Para po sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, T9 means predictive texting. And what does predictive texting means? Ayan, magandang tanong niyan, di ba? Pero syempre, when we say predictive, tako po, syempre, from the word itself, it means to predict. Okay, ano ba yung ibig sabihin po? Ayan. So para po dyan sa mga hindi pa masyadong nakakaalam, ito po ituturo po natin on how we can make use of the predictive texting. Okay, so here we go. Get your cell phones now and go to that message. Okay, message part. Alright. Halimbawa po, you're not sure on how to spell the word tomorrow. Okay? So, as you can see, we have here the pencil icon. Okay, there's a pencil icon. Ito po yung, if you want to make use of the small letters lang or capital letters, yun po yung icon na we have to change. Okay, now since we are using the T9 mode, we have to set it in this manner. Okay, so ayan po, pag alam na po natin pag T9 siya kasi meron tayong 2 lines. So there you go. Alright, now we go to our spelling of tomorrow. Okay, so here we go. T-O-M-O. There. So, ayan po ha, inunahan niya na ako. Okay, and then R-O-W. Kasi syempre po marami naman sa atin ang medyo nalilito kung on how to spell tomorrow. Is it double M or double R? So, there you go. Tinulungan na tayo ng ating phone through our T9 mode. And why are we teaching this? Kasi po syempre marami sa atin ang medyo tinatamad, nagtitipid, o medyo napapagod. At syempre, ang nangyayari po, we send messages na medyo spelled incorrectly. Ano po ba ang results when every time we do this, syempre, pwede pong hindi tayo naiintindihan ng ating mga ka-textmates. Or hindi naman, medyo nangangalawang ang ating vocabulary and grammar. Para po sa mga chikiting dyan, mommies and daddies, warning po yan kasi we have to teach them on how to spell the words correctly. And the T9 mode or the T9 can help you on that aspect. So there you go, kita-kits po ulit, Wednesday and Friday, dito lamang sa T9 segment. Thank you mga ka-textmates.
Department of Education, Commission on Higher Education, Panasonic, and Nokia in cooperation with T9 Text Input. Text right, T9.